Abusua yemu akwa bi emraje report so na me say chese ejapade ya che no akwakoye bibi ho akwanye kekeleke di amatim side check na emu nsem de eche kroyi na me no kasai no ene lawyer penipa eye lawyer Bill Graham Osei abomodin edi enkomo na dodo na after efred lawyer akomia wadomo siko ekwanya omubefa so anase court ebetimi afaso ejina so na omo ache ejapade no edi ama team side chicks edi team legal wives na ebuso eba biti ensem no se di sifa ekoye na unim se eba ejapade ne cha emra ye be yusu pa emra kuni no eye PNDC law 111 enu ne ye ba begina so na ye bisa se eba se ye yusu PNDC law 111 na ejapade omo ye o Germany no enu so ye ko yusu PNDC law 111 anase Maame Akosua Serwaa ni Odo Bronii be che ejapade na wo Ghana ha no na emum Germany de ne de ono nko afa isanse Germany emra de yenim se omo de omo so aware mienu so aware ba kope erom so ete ko basa emra no etesei yebetie ensem no se de lawyer komia ekeka ne nsem na Dazi TV na all the credit no eko edema no isanse ono na timi bo modi ewramu ene lawyer akomia ekodi sa enkomo no na ye ba betie mesre yenika enkotie obati wa wo abra Lumba radio station no ensem bi aba ho yenkoni enkotie
eye opriga nyaketwa no makodi nkomo bo baby sese radio station no ebefri mu nsa paadie enye ke moja begu anka mo mpene he Maame no, she's not interested in the radio. Maame kan kire mo. Efie na radio ni simu no. Aya ne dia. Aya ne dia. She bought it. Her own money. Her own sweat. And what didn't kuntare ho. Efie na, se on say iti akuna ya wenti mi afa edi ankwa hye ho se partnership wa ya wenti mi afa edi anko huram.
Okay, interbiso se TV dia yemo hwi ni nkoti lawyer komia nsem bi ode ababeto abonten efa the property sharing among the two wives because courts agye atum se eye no kre se na opani no na Lumba na yire nom eye mienu na aye mienu na obi anso wo ma na emma no Odo Bronii side no enkwa no bi esusare nti no sai na court no befa so ache se yusu PNDC law 111 na ye che ne sai na ebasa Odo Bronii a oba mu akiri no ejapade ne musan na betima kɔ ne ho ene musan ene be kɔ ne one papa no ehye abrabo ase a ye ka se onu mpokura ene boa papa no yenko na yenkoti ensem a lawyer komia editudwa
nese wanye wela ejapade che ne sei
yo so bi wu no wanye wela ye de emra ye frɛ no interstate succession law.
Okay.
PNDC law 111 advanced in 1985, which is about 40 years ago. And as Samra no by Samra no, and the chess any padi, any panajapadi. Na, I mean, can you say, Ayana Samra and the chair Obia or woo after a bar force, that is a free 1985 air banner. Obia be free mubia 1 year one, only this Samra no, a chair japadi.
Okay.
But say, oh, after before the
1984
by and then the farm run a bit. I didn't run as at that time.
Into the case studies is here. Charles Kojo for Sudad Lumba case. You say, Jedi say that so many controversies are surrounding na ye ni wadina. According to the judgment, Utimwa for her leadership, Donda Smith Arthur, Edituja. Say ofri mu no oja yermu mienu, that is according to court. Yermu mienu enti ye chejapade na walk us through the percentage wise we ekwa hemfa we kwa ha tamben na if it is property ni jointly acquired property a ebi omudin wo so a hwan na say kwa ha say then you zoom in into when there's another spouse, two spouse. when there's a duration to say be a one warum at the same time ebi obi a penny and then a bob brabi almost about 20-30 years and some for ni ebem in the japade bi wo ho a nina take walk us through how I be see ayen.
Okay. Study all kind of if you daddy Lumba there. Na yenim say oja yerenom say as the court judgment in
court judgment here
oja yerenom and oja
jamma yeah.
But when ya memfa say awofo na awofo ntiase yes. But obusian so
obusian yeah.
PNDC law no na che na japade PNDC law no cha the di kind no ye free bibi household chattels eye efie nioma na demo nioma and ohwemra no ma demo nioma cry the private cars ka ho
okay
anti nkonya TV fridge ntade ene private cars the private cars no as against commercial cars and ka ho the private cars no ene demo nioma no ene efie ba ko obeja na trade no e ba so ja efie ba ko a ekọ de otiase ye okunu ana oyira otiase a brofika be kan surviving spouse ene emma oja wachi nti se ma no ye 20 a omo nyina ayire no ye 20 a omo nyina nti emma ene ayire no maja chire no efa so ja efie ba ko a ye won dia ene the American brofika household chattels a demo neoma include private cars no. Now say if you need more than one, that is a bro back one. And run say, Omubeyi a year and I couldn't a tiasi any mano. Ombe him where you back home. And the young fan say, Nipanaja a die back home. And fan say a doom maybe or die back home so baby to say, fancy baby a white trick a cry in your crew. When out my own year, a baby a word doom. Nti wo nkwan se wo yi de ope bia mra ne nka se chinchina yem value analysis o si yi ba ako yes but sometimes e bu o ha na ni yi na ye de ama o de a mra ne se court e be yi bia ma o ti yi ba ako na de aka no mra na kire kwan e be fa so a kire no na ne kire no gina ada se uja ayire emma awofo ana abusua e wa kire
okay
nti se uja ayire ana ekunu emma ene abusua ana ane awofo wa kira say na mra ne kire ye fa ni sika fam brofika se beka se ye quantify ni monetary value ne ya chemu edunsia japade ni na edunsia ye di kan yi ba ko se na meka yi fie se fie ni ye more than one yi no ayi household chattels no dia ma oyira na okunu otiase na dia aka no ya chemu dunsia ye chemu dunsia se be ma na free mu a na yire otiase so balance na free mu a ne kunu otiase no ebe nyamu miensa na akoka se edu miensa no na emu enkunu 9 akọ emma etiase ho ne ma oja wachi
okay
na akoka 9 no emu mienu ebekọ na wofu a oja wachi ada sane maame na tiase na ne papa na tiase on befa mu mienu na mienu no akọ abusua ho
abusua no betime bia ne sister ne brother
and mostly ne ana ejina ye come be inheritance ebu ha mudi na ade ana asa jade ye hwe mramu a bi mu wo ha omama mre no kire se se uwu na ojeja pade a wobusua emfa won sanka call ma ho ebiti se anwafo omo hwehwe nsa na tie and some part of encrying for anti ye ka se mienu be call wobusua ho a sa wona o belong to sa tribe no sa mienu no esa akọ ema no ho fi se omo hwehwe mu mama mre mu no ya no ye ma ne dia tinese akoka 9 no ho na 11 baoba mostly akanfo mu a become mostly I just say most of them maybe anya omo nyina most akanfo mu a ana ona odi enade na eya na ye no de ekọ abusua ho enti di ogina abusua na nam no ye di odi na de ai kan customer success no no afa mienu no na je se eno na ba abusua ho enti wo hwa na je se abusua chefa no isa enti sa oti ase ne sa wo pese obusua nya japade a waye no mu bi chefa eso de a ene na waye wa onsa manse na se na wo fo nte ase a mienu na osenka ekona wo fo no ye de beka abusua de ho da abusua de na ye enan na che se wo chemu enan a abusua benya mu ba ko ekota eno nti sei na se nipa no eja abusua eja ayere ana ekunu eja ma eja awofo a sei ne eche no.
Okay. Now, no, your point of reference, but yeah, that the Lumba case where he say, well, now no, I'm running patron say a dine a door swan. New jaw when the infant said the wife. On be choose back home. Say or find it very difficult to choose a ABA court and a babuano. Now you don't need me, according to court. So to one ever can semi far and semi far. And now we all know say according to purported document account like the inventory, no, I'm sure said none a borrow more than one. And now no you know why na be can semi me pedan we. For instance, now the bone of context now is legal down. Is legal down a ho and a naughty. I only that lady no day.
Yeah.
And so di free. Right now 1 year well no. And now this was since be Dawson or Japan to go Germany. It was Ghana ha. And yet is legal kwana yedan. In disable mo kona so mo cha and run say or yiri a woja ono. Or no be choose back. Send about name kwalan bedding. A betinam. He said yirim so mu yetu. Into bedding with me choose back.
Good question. Tim Rano a cassette a year no a year and a year no more. It doesn't matter the number. In this case, I'm here 2. You know, na a ma to be a call to them because I'm running say, Mube back until some mummy no. What you call Ben Chromaka say, okay, yeah, share ye are ace legon fee and I call you way. Money managing na they say man free or babako.
Okay.
And money free several women. And in Memrana dear, so can't surviving children.
So now, no, I know, said the other 2 children, the niece need dying, their mother is there, into almost so can't.
Exactly. And maybe uja wachi, and your ma wa name a bit me crab as a beer who adopt a crabby, a brana utiasie, our become maho. Some money and your ma only or baba quao. Ebi out here, our said our fan chain, a cohoye. Ebi our free one son ever dead dear. Say it's me professor empire or bar. Emrano kase o ma Janet chair of some man account.
Okay.
And o money na I know yenum na to yenum in this case o ma be 2 me nu na nka Emrano say nka mun na montras na monyintum nko ben krokos e be ebia efia e wo Kumasi na e wo Islegon.
Yeah.
Mu year ansa na de aka ne a chane say de make but said the ebubo by the bet me about say no more intimi anko ben kromo. Yem fan say judgment no answer sanity that is my appeal.
Appeal, yes.
So appeal no answer sanhwe na say ya na be dia na say akoye maami no. Ti maami no na also mu nya mutimi agitum mo agree na mu choose baako.
No be aka so place lego that.
That's the problem. No say mo so mu yi baako. And it is a mo intimi anka say we ni yi dia. E ho na court bebam na court yi baako amamansa na dia kan. Match. The same thing, and your man in this case, you can't choosing one house. A man, a ma.
Okay.
In this case, the man will be more matured. I advance a can adult or me adult.
Yes.
And to almost say no, and your mama may not be my mom. Tom also has a right to say. And to a money, and my year no, and every Jane, I call Ben Chroma say, ye that way. Na the akano yache, which most likely from what we are seeing say bia maintain was bebem so maintain was amemu dia abemu dia then you also court na him na court yi ba kuma and san na the akano yache who knows bet me grab say bia among lawyers bet me aka okay you be boa ma yetimi choose. Don't forget choosing doesn't necessarily mean some continent. What me choose no matter no matter.
So that's why I inventory the value added to
exactly. But the more reason why I did value to inventory so to know the estate duty of it here because also to a 12-month buy.
Okay.
I say now letters of administration now I buy 3% of the value until no the ana a bomb I buy calculate 12 so to
It seems like Miss Quinn went back to her father's place today.
So her own family hit.
Still on the East Legon because right now the bone of contention here and it's yemfa East Legon dan emfa ma e bia Peninsula yemfa ma. So what if say property no ene right now our from yemi no yemfa say we share Maame Akosua Serwaa according to Papa Shee in 1984 before they got married in 1991 or so. Till say court I confirm say onja aware she's still in. What if say that specific property here is legal no assassin ye sit down was no maybe it was a joint acquired property between Maame Akosua Serwaa and that Lumba and then ebia okusi a japade de so now he's no more now no say ebia court cried to me share say ebia ye de ebia dana is legal na de ma Peninsula. Can the wife also claim say that specific property you're talking about, even the land, it was a joint acquired property? So how are you going to bequeath that one to the another person?
Good. So here PNDC law there. PNDC law now go into details as to what happens especially when a man does so. And I say the panel worry more than one. PNDC law now go into details. The basia you share Emra ane fancy the constitution and Supreme Court cases are edie. So far, I've not come across a case that deals exactly with the situation that you are mentioning. I'm not surprised as it has gotten that high attention.
Seriously, I think that new word you crampono be different. Even this. It's also a form of in case a court to cry a court cry to me determine a best serve as a precedent.
Of course.
Be able to me be a day. So now all patches a PNDC law 111 no.
PNDC law 111 I'm going to that details. So we look at cases at court any judgments about.
Okay.
Oh sure. We have the friend of marital property.
Okay.
A japadia ye nya no aware mu. Oh sure. Generally, because a Japadi nyana waremu dia, the general understanding is a Japadia aware for no year from the first day amware kopem lies ya aware no film a good any addition. Na ushemwa a kamia say bimu beka say our jaye ba so they see change Japadia no ya different from owo ba. But I think say share cases are court on marital property and it shouldn't be so.
Okay.
I think it shouldn't be so. So let's speak, or see a share no baby. A scenario no day man. What worry first wife? First wife my Japadie. Moya Japadie no. Ena Berman acquire second one. Ena obeka ho. Sanka ye shemu pa dia. Berman free mo. Ye nchen pepepe. One second wife no nchen pepepe. I was say ye acknowledge say first wife no ebo obra be do baby na second wife no beto aso ye mfa ne say first wife no ene be ma no si fie ye mo si be fie be for ena second wife buy na sa fie na o si be for no enkanye bibia kra na ye hwe marital property law no mo kra na obeka say ejapade a paako eye ansa na obeware no enya mu na mo dia enya marital property
nti we PNDC ene enka ho
PNDC law no dey answer them kind no dey enka can strictly speaking Japade ojechi it doesn't go into details but look at PNDC
timing of acquiring those properties in one state
but the PNDC law kwa nya no kwa na assembly say no ye de bebua ye be hwe emra aka don't forget say Supreme Court ema judgment be emra
Okay.
Ebe mrama eno nso so no court a eye below the Supreme Court no e de ye adwuma. In fact, yes some dey or some dey adwuma it's binding on them. And the Supreme Court judgment on their friend marital property and Rebecca say aware mu ejapade a enya de a. And Rebecca ne say o be ma na oba ye ejapade ansa na obe ware a. Say ejapade no enya marital property per se. However, your authorities ebe kire say ba say aware no gu a na to be prove say oh yeah contributions be wo ejapade no ho de a. O contributions na o yeah no. Emra no betimi and accord betimi am e de amoamoye. But I know you're different from say mo worry na mo yeah. I no mostly the general position is say echemu pepepe.
You don't need to prove anything, say
Not necessarily.
you contributed substantially.
Not necessarily. Except to say more married couples no monya nhihye bi e wo japade yim and na otimi yesa otimi ka say okay ya ware odo free nei say ne pese ye japade fa e bia pese me kosi dan me no krom eno de me amedia me pese me yewe me amedia mo wo sa nhihye ne de a court e be respect sa nhihye no. Otherwise the general position is say mo ye japade no wa ware mu, that is within the marriage no nko ade a emu na mo de a eya na ohwemu a the tie sie ne say and then sika no mema nsem chen ma no enti no mema no na omotai edi omobotom sika menka ne sa because e bia oba no adwuma sika o ye no enti enu oba bema ne de na bu okra no oba ne housewife doesn't mean say o ye housewife now crew na this caba enti no won contribute towards ayina there be because there have been authorities that even say the fact say ono aduane ma o ma onya peace of mind ultimately acquire those properties and those are the contributions, right?
So it not necessarily have to work to also add money. In terms of for quick one, mo aya motanka say Prince Lanye adwuma da onye say some part of the law ne patron say the mere fact say boy aduane kra ma ne kunu onye bi adi how many peace of mind the crown pono is can be used as a part of almost substantial contribution to that. Now questions among for ABUSUAPANIN say or Maame Akosua Serwaa 1991. And it's a public knowledge say obi bia nim say sebio omuhia no bia ni bi no mo start so mo bobra ni ya me ya o mo adom ni yankopon e de bedu bi o mo bedri. So during that period na ansana supposed married na about 2010. So from 1991 they got married to 2010 and some okoware oba foforo no court in SEO so okoware in 2010. Those properties no more acquired within that period in no. Even the PNDC law 1 wo ho. But say ebia ye che right now 1 year will say ye cha. Na say maame gidi say property bi wo ho a onu gidi say at that time no mu ye ya. Say bia omo cha bia kwakodi nia almost your war in 2010 now. Obetumi a challenge that.
Obetumi challenge. Some properties now and sana our second one neighbor no. Obetumi challenge. And for the second one na ma enko ani Lumba nko ade a. Ena sempo no se Lumba a ware anase se man se bi Lumba anonko na na obe ware the second wife now. And casa property doesn't become necessarily a marital property. This the second wife needs to prove say or your contributions on those properties. Ebia wall boy no boama to wall or bia or to doors ebi krana or see drew roofing level no boama your boss. So this will prove sir. But otherwise the fact say or answer no be worry no doesn't make it or takes away the facts of marital property. And yes, the first wife Akosua Serwaa betimi aka say those properties na there say be see a channel no different. And say ye can na album any no 3/16 of I mean the estate. No. Those ones can be separated and say those ones there me ye menene ye bobra esi bi adan we anyway ansana obe ware second one. The only thing is a second wife no so betimi aka say that is if our proof. Say bia men so many some contributions on those ones. But apart from that crano, subsequent properties are be a Lumba after the second marriage, you know, so first wife no so share because don't forget say
no unja
no that's who omodia onyana ware.
Na court is no so yere into which means it's still a wife.
Exactly. Until once a court so it means up to the last breath of Lumba no into properties be a Lumba nya. And generally speaking, no, the share also change Odo Bronii.
Okay, which means now I'm told say they have other properties in Germany. Which means at what point can the second wife lay claims to any of the properties in Germany? Is that possible? Because at that time they acquired that property. No crime. I don't know whether now class 1 or class 2. I can't tell.
Yes. So those properties, of course, once it is in Germany, you know, there's and the laws that govern it, you know, will not just be the PNDC law 111 because Germans also have their own laws, and I don't know if it is true. I'm also told that Lumba was a German.
Yeah, German citizen. Yes.
Citizen.
Yeah.
And Odo Serwaa was also a German citizen.
Yeah.
Right. So all these things will affect the sharing of it. But let's assume your earlier question. Those your properties be and son of Babe Warrior, second wife. No. My stance is that those properties need there. Yanko fan bo the other ones.
PNDC 111.
No, you will use it, but not to the extent that can you now I can say these are the estates of the late Lumba, you know. Oh yeah, actually in that manner. Even there have been cases where Rebecca says, oh yeah, walk right now. You don't will the entire property because the entire property in your there. So Lumba ya walk right and everyone say or car say maybe a fear on it Akosua Serwaa esi ya nsa no bewa no Lumba na ebe cha otimiti ma na ye efiri se fie no nya no nkwa ne dia omo mienu dia se nipa mienu dia na nipa mienu na timi ede chema na ye yemom wo chefa dia otimi de che so for say o chefa no person de ma asemesia no problem but untimi mfa ne nyina nche
so chefa dia so now yemfa say you use PNDC, you may use all right. But right now there's a duration between no. TM say properties are Maame Akosua Serwaa fosu. Me bon dia no papa bi aka ho fa che me. Me sa na bia ya me boni din no. Ono ene Lumba akwa ni na no. E bia yemfa say omo chem sene emra ne kire nwia. Lumba dia na beka no. Eno no since Osanso second wife no and those properties in Abia wo Germany here Odo Bronii betuma ko lay claim say bia ni kunu dia anti say bia Maame Akosua say bia ya che bia dan ye 5 na say on ye ya bia Lumba dey 2 bia Maame Akosua dey 2 ba bia enfa ba ko fa man kwala no bia for just example
and crack the for mom at this stage. I mean when you are looking at say for back and for two because and crack when it comes to sharing of estates the Children's Act emra efa enkura hono ye no so no comes in here and such Children's Act which say o charge apade na enkura wo ma ye below 18 na or say di kan eyi bi to ho ma and sakra na ya che di aka no
right now Odo Bronii ma 6 no na below 18 years.
And once some year below 18 years no. Among by virtue some year below 18 years no. You also making some provisions for them. And sana or match apart from that.
Now who will make that provision? Is it the court?
Yes, the court will make that provision.
So what if the court provision will make through that property say be inventory the court will choose a specific property say I think we should give this property to the children. But those children in him say Maame Akosua and Maame they are above the low 20 years. Now ABI Odo Bronii man a year below 18 years. But because of say year 6, now end 18 years until we had this property at the moment. But what if that property now court and be choose say ABI because that's a provision there. ABI Maame Akosua say was substantial contribution to that property no. Also can she challenge that decision if the court makes that order?
Oh, makes my challenge it.
nti ensem no na lo yakomia e gu ho e de amaye no ti ne e obaswa na wa che wa adwere kama e wo hono na bibibia e timi akoye na e koba sei no e ne papa shee koyo nso man wono so nyambre koyo nso akeka bi pa e da che ABUSUAPANIN Tupac na yinti koyo nso
presi ejifu yi
achire omo maame anka omo maame free Germany maame bisa abusuafo pa akoso se omo pese omo hu ba bi esi iwura ye chire ne maame na na nka maame ne beba ye chire nkola no na nkola nchire omo maame a ko beba ene abusuafo na beka se obezu omo ba bi esi iwura ene ma ne bi wa emo obi ntutu anu ma me kan chire ABUSUAPANIN no one only Lumba ngaza for 20 years me ba TV so me ka chire no only Lumba twuma so no one ne ngaza so what they are saying Lumba wu a obo se de wodo ene wo de gwa agosiesie Lumba chi
but we because one nkasa kwa the first one nkasa doesn't change the first oye ABUSUAPANIN
na the way ABUSUAPANIN a wo che nyangopon
there be untum change
we nyangopon wo ye ABUSUAPANIN a wo ye wan we ABUSUAPANIN abusua na wo da no ene nipa na ye do wato wo mo ano so what they are saying to ye ABUSUAPANIN you do the right thing but that's what they are saying we ye ABUSUAPANIN wo tie abusua no emma na wo fie no emma mpanimfo no utie wo mutie otumfo asem okan ya wa yese o de otu abusua anu na ABUSUAPANIN a enye se tumi na eye wo de ya utie fiefo mpanimfo no omo de adwenkyere ba na omo ye ntoato a na de abeto ani se ni aye e na wo dan no so wa de ase I say we leader na bia wo cabinet so wa de ase mo ko dwene ho na mo fa de papa na wo de wa ba be announce so wa de ase wontimi nye dictator se me ye ABUSUAPANIN dictator so what they say and I meditate ma obi am ka bi obi nka yenye ne sa
kan ka bi okay
but what they say we ABUSUAPANIN sa say penny obetra fie ma mo frare na nka no ka na nka we for kan
sa na hu ABUSUAPANIN so oye ne
anya sa na me hu no sa na Ghana fo nyina ne wo so hu no sa boss hu sa na ope wo ABUSUAPANIN ti say angwani beje ka jam say wo na wo ABUSUAPANIN ti say ya ruade ma no kwa chi baby but what they say ne bia wa ware ana se bibia si da chimbi na konya obi gina wachi yese ya wahye wani munyama na ogu ani mase baje wa dia se baje so wa dia se
okay
munyama ni bi wa listen utie ye kan se akwati buru ni mukum obeka je se ye ba kwa eminu eno do ho
okay
obi twa no antwa ni ya kan so yese di o twa sa no onim se de chia so wa dia se Ghana agwa na mo ye kan se ka mutimi ngasa no gre the nipa ni ye nya ka je say what you done is wrong said ye be ya onko ye biwa na obi ensua no
okay
me pa cha say dey say
Matias
obi ya de na papa kamfo no ABUSUAPANIN wa ya de awrade nhia no aka kire no wo ye no anye ni ya ha wo ye ni entwa yi wa anya de next time anya no sa what dey say
Matias ba say de ntie bi akoba say I divided 10 wo ne sabi wo dom ejina baabi
me dom bajo
me kan say because ABUSUAPANIN so ne dom emu akoche
me nya ABUSUAPANIN
but
me ye sempakani
me
can awrade asem
but for now you speak for the family
me gina ma no kore
okay
so ya say opose me kasa ma abusua no nje say abusua no kasa me nka bibia nya meka I won't do that
okay
but that's what they say tin am say me sika na sika so what they say I don't support evil what they say me nyo obi so am compromise what they say because there me ye bia na awrade ehwe me koma me ni di Nyankopon tie bi so what they say tie do say mo besua no kure kan e wo man num se beboa mo daache mo free Ghana say Ghana a Christian nation but no kure e ye mo din what they say mo ahemfo mo police for mo soldier for mo judges mo lawyers asofo ABUSUAPANIN for abusuafo enkola ne mpani eno kure kan 99.9 omo dimi nka no kure Ghana se ne Nyankopon gas yenye se ne Nyankopon ya oteso no se ne wo expect ye eno kure kan no kure se unu bia so odo nipa na o kan no kure kire no upe obi asem aka no kure kire no so what they say e bia want ase ne but ebedu be ebo because oh akwasi anana oh thank you God bless you na menti de wo kan ase but just what they say we yes obe kan de be nipa ne de a kire no ana enye na wo ye no sa o mpenansem so what they say dina Yesu ba mo mpenansem no because they say I'm the truth ni ba zo mpe truth
okay
so what they say obi abegina man kure bia o mpe wasem ye no so the fact say we jina man kure ni say awrade asem
ABUSUANTI tinkoyo nsofo an ene president na na ate say odi ni nkomo e ho no a obi ani abre e ho no a based on sema lawyer Graham anase lawyer Akomia yes ni din no full name no Bill Graham Osei Akomia inti eno ano no de oka ye ni nyina no regarding how a ombefa so ache ejapade no woni ne ya adwena no ache wadwene woni ne nya adwene so a na watimi ache wadwene ho no muti ze de bia meka no ene wo ye team side check afo adwenche no eto ana wo ye team legal wife nso a na wo de ato ne mum wo ye team koyo nso a na wo de adwenche no ato wo e de amame